go. Oh, fuck.
No swearing, family-friendly content. Okay guys, so taking a little break, working on the bike. As you can see from yesterday, we had it at rolling chassis mode. And I got a little package from Forza, so I quickly opened it up. Glove 1, glove 2, and I think they sent me a hoodie and a t-shirt. Oh, yeah. Nice. Check out these gloves here. Got some shorties. I love shorties for street riding. These are dope. So these are full protection. Look pretty nice actually. Double stitched here with some upgrades I asked for, which is nice. Kevlar reinforced. Those are dope. More of you guys on these when I actually go riding. Check it out, boys and girls. Woo. How do I look? Do I look warm?
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is nice. Forza Moto Racing. You guys, let's get back to work. Look, she's a bike. Everything is back and ready. She's looking really good. All I need to do is get some clutch fluid because it's a little low. I changed it out for the proper mineral 75 from Motorex. I had some other stuff in here that was acceptable, but it just wasn't OEM, kind of bothered me. I know I'm weird. So taking the Grom today to go grab some clutch fluid for this guy. I got the SAS block-off plates on, all the secondary stuff removed. Brand new fuel vent line here. Suspensions in from Blackfoot Direct. Can you believe this? These two bolts, I don't know where they're from. This one I do. That was because I removed some stuff. And I just don't know what to do, guys. This I know. And I'm missing two little bolts. So I'm going to go over the bike again with a fine-tooth comb. See if I can't figure it out. As I never drive... Oh, light went off. As I never drive my mom SUV, she's dead again. I'm going to go for a warranty for the battery. I think something's wrong. Alright guys, so it says 110 or 111, but this thing is barely going 80 because that black car is doing 90. He's speeding. This thing can barely go 80, which this road is. So I have to get off this road and just go the back streets because down there is the freeway and that's 100 and people go like 120 on that. So no thank you. Side roads it is for that Grom life. This thing has gearing. So if you ask why it won't go what it says, is because it's geared so low for acceleration and stunting. That's the way the homie Kelvin has it set up for. This one he has set up for stunting, and the other one he has set up for like it's lowered and stretched and all that. You guys can see the yellow Grom in my videos. But taking this guy down to get some fluid for my Superduke, so I thought, why not take the Grom? Beats driving all the way down there. So it does look like it's gonna rain, but that's okay. I'm in my full touring gear, which I hardly ever wear anymore because I wear my two-piece leathers from Forza Canada. But today I'm in my full Dainese touring gear. I look ridiculous on this thing right now. Like I'm even in full boots. Like I am legit right now. Oh, look at this douchebag. He guns it so you can't get through. What a cock. That's exactly what Calgary's all about, man. People will gun it. He knows cars park here. He knows he'll get cars wanting to come in because they don't know that they want to indicate, but he'll gun it to make no space. That's Calgary, man. Oh, this is the fast one. This is the 100D. P100D Model X. This is the big boy. All the Model X's I've seen around town aren't the big boy. They're the 90D or the 100D or whatever. This is the performance. Damn, snowcat is slightly jealous, and it's in the blue of the one that I drive down in California with the homie Keith and Carol. They let me drive their blue one from time to time, and that's always a dope experience. Look at this car, he's coming towards us. Oh my god. You guys see that? That is hilarious. This is a one-way, man. And the guy coming towards us on a one-way. That should not happen, guys. Like, we have these massive arrows on our lights that point whichever right there is one. I'll see if I can freeze frame that. It's a massive arrow, so you cannot turn left. What are you doing? Oh my fucking god. The guy ran out in front of this car. That's because they think it's okay. Oh my goodness. That guy almost got hit. Hopefully the GoPro will show that, but I doubt it will. Oh man, I keep hitting the horn instead of the indicator because I'm used to the other S09 and the Grom. The engine D-cell is insane. I forgot about the Superduke D-cell. What I mean by that is when you let go of the gas, it feels like brakes, and that's that was fixed, I think, in the new one. They have some computer mapping and whatnot on the 17 and up Superduke. That's rain and crap that way. We're gonna turn around and go back the other way. Oh my god, it's so good to be back. The suspension's feeling amazing. The power's feeling amazing. I'm a little chilly. It's not that nice outside. But I had to go for the inaugural test ride. Let's go for a ride! Every bike is shit besides the 250i. Oh, that's weird. Oh, that's so weird. Wow! Holy crap, I missed this bike. Oh my god. Let's try and go for a little cruise before I have to shut her down. This is all skewy, it's not staying straight. I gotta tighten this. Oh yeah, she's loose. Tim's Ram. That is Tim, and that's his Ram. Tim's Ram. that's a personalized plate and a half right there, boys and girls. Tim's Ram. Alright, after this light we'll talk about what the heck is going on. I think I get this clutch a little better. I bleeded the clutch, I got all the crap out, put new crap in, and it doesn't feel quite like it used to. I think I can do a little better job on that. Oh, thank you. Alright guys, so if you're not a real follower of the channel, you don't catch every video, that's fine, not gonna hate. I'll tell you what's going on. The bike was down and out for about 5 months since the last track day because the rear shock and fork seals, all that stuff had to get fixed. Then I had because I have so many K on this bike, like 40,000 kilometers, I had to do a bunch of other service like valve check, clearance check. Then I removed the SAS system, secondary air system. I put block off plates. I did so much stuff to this bike. And then I got the suspension rebuilt by Blackfoot Direct Suspension Services in Calgary. Shout out to those guys. And then I did clutch and brake and all that fun stuff. What's still on the list is after I burn through these tires, because of the track day killed off the sides, I want the middles to be burned off, which is what we do in the city. I'm going to put new tires on. At that time, new brake pads, and then an oil change, and then she's ready, she's done. So a little bit more maintenance coming up. Other than that, she's good to go, man. And boy, oh boy, did I miss her. So this is official. The Superduke is back, and it feels so good. Oh yeah, I suspect my battery needs to get replaced. It's a little it's a little questionable. But man, I forgot how brutally fast this thing is. I'm gonna get in so much shit this summer. This thing is so fast. Oh, I missed her. Welcome back.